Welcome to Stagecoach Inn Suites, your ideal destination for comfort and relaxation in Dubois, Wyoming. Whether you're here for business or a leisurely getaway, our welcoming property offers a perfect stay for all guests. At Stagecoach Inn Suites, we provide a variety of amenities to ensure your visit is stress-free. Enjoy our outdoor swimming pool, perfect for a refreshing dip on a warm day. Stay connected with free Wi-Fi throughout the property and take advantage of our free parking for added convenience. Our non-smoking rooms are designed for your comfort, featuring family rooms for those traveling with loved ones. Each room comes equipped with a tea coffee maker to start your day right, and our friendly staff is always here to assist you. Explore the beauty of Dubois and nearby attractions like the Wind River Range, Shoshone National Forest, and the famous Yellowstone National Park, just a scenic drive away. Book your stay today at Stagecoach Inn Suites, where comfort meets convenience in the heart of Wyoming. Visit our website link in the video description below to reserve your room now.